For seaside and Iceland use solar project, it requires that the panel lamp and accessories must be anti-shortage forged and anti-corrosion, then can keep long-term use. In this case, it requires hot and galvanized. So normally the same techniques is to keep 65 mil to 100 mils. It is the grounding screw for the solar panel lamp. You see, it is high and here 1.5 liters, and there is a screw. It is a point here and we have been customized for the solar power system, which is easy to install. Just need the tire driver to drive a hole. This is more easy to install than the concrete base, and the cheaper more is customized in our company together with the galvanized panel lamp together. This is used in the sea lamp, Iceland, near the sea, and which is easy to install. The size, the length is according to the joint situation. It is still with hot and galvanized to prevent not anti-corrosion or shortage.